So ito guys. Yun guys.
Naklag siya guys.
Kanina.
Going down.
So yan guys. Oh my god. Okay guys. Ito muna guys. Ilalagay muna to. So dito oh. Hi guys. Good evening. Ako pala si Pinay in USA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago pa kayo dito guys, don't forget to subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa susunod kong mga video. So, ngayon guys, ayos kami ng
Nabara na lababo guys.
So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko i-fix
Ang clog na sink.
So, ito guys. Yun guys.
Naklag siya guys.
Kanina dahil
Naglinis ako ng sweet potato, naklag siya.
pakita ko sa inyo guys.
I said it's clogged.
Yep, it's clogged. Yan.
Yep, that's what happened.
Yan guys. Hindi siya dumadaloy guys.
Potato skin.
Yep, the potato skin. Naglilinis ako. Then,
What if we can smash it with this?
We can't.
and then we cannot.
We won't go through. We have to take the
Drain.
pipes apart.
So,
Drain it into here.
we drain this guys. Small bucket.
That's a painting bucket.
To, baldi guys.
Okay.
Mag-prepare kayo
Open it up.
ng mayroong bucket at saka rugs, guys.
First, we gotta make
Yan.
room.
Yep.
Pile this up, RJ, over here. Oh, empty.
Yep, lilinisan muna natin yan, guys. Yun, mga stock dyan. Yan. Baka mabasa.
Lots of cleaning stuff. Except for a
Do
couple years at least.
Okay, put down, RJ.
I didn't know the Dove soap was in there.
No, wipe that.
here.
Toothbrush.
What was that powder? A
It'll
brush.
be right here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, but you don't want to make it so you can't take it apart. So I did leave that in there.
So, tama na yan, guys. Oh.
Here's the plug right here.
Basta mayroong ano,
For
yeah.
safety reasons.
Yep. Yan.
And before you flood it out,
So, unplug first, guys, before to fix this.
That's the dishwasher plug.
Yep, done. Okay. Let's
Where's
go,
the-
guys. We fix na natin to, guys.
And the bucket.
here. I'm gonna go so far away.
Okay,
So-
we switch spots.
Okay.
Okay, so
Here.
mommy's gonna do it. She's an expert.
I'm gonna be up here. I'll watch the drama.
So, okay, guys. Okay, start na tayo, guys. Ito, oh. Ito, guys. So, ito, guys, open to, guys. Grabe kagahi to. Oh! Push hard. Oh my goodness. Add this first. Okay, first, guys, ito.
To the right, I want.
Yeah, the right, then this two, guys. But
Okay.
this... Parang...
We're going.
This here is the right.
Told you.
So, lagyan natin bucket baka
It's gonna come from this pipe right here
bubuhos to.
and down there.
Yan, guys.
If you take that pipe off,
Yeah.
the water's gonna come out.
Yep. So, yun. Saka to. Right, guys. Ha? Yan. Saka to, guys.
Scared. Yeah, put that on top of here.
It's fall down, RJ. Yes, splatter now here. Yan. So, isto. Ayan.
That one? I thought we were coming out of this one.
No, how to open this. Open up.
Okay.
Ah, that's turn right to, guys. So, ganito ang sa Amerika, guys. Sa Pilipinas parang hindi ganito. Hindi ko alam. Yan, and then katapos to, guys. Ah! Yan, this to.
Mommy's strong.
Yan, boy, garden. And then, bubuksan to. slowly para walang
See
daming
drops? See
dirty
drops?
dito. Oh! So, oh my God!
There's all the potato
Yeah.
peels.
Stuck.
It's blocked right there.
See? Tingnan guys. Ang daming sweet potato.
And up there too.
Yun, ang skin ng sweet potato.
That's if I
Balat.
pour the water down.
Oh my goodness.
That's if I pour the water down.
Saka yung tubig, bubuhos to. Yan guys, oh. Ang daming sweet. Ah, that's yan.
You got it. Check the sink,
Yan.
RJ.
Yan
Check the
guys.
Going down.
So yan guys, oh my God. Almost full. Yan guys.
Get another bucket, RJ.
Wow.
Go get another bucket now. My room. Go.
Tingnan guys, ang dami oh. Ah,
Hurry up.
oh, so heavy. Yan guys, see?
Looks like it just made it. Looks like it just made it.
Just made it, RJ, see? Wow.
It's gonna be hard to move though.
Why don't you put in that one?
We'll
So
see if we
yan
need
guys, ang pagdilinis ng
They're dirty.
sink.
What is
Na
that?
clog na sink.
It's
Eh, dirty.
food.
But that dirty, RJ.
Pieces of food. They wash the plates.
Eh,
Get stuck in there.
RJ, dirty. Open the door, RJ, because I throw this in outside.
Right now?
Yeah. So yan guys. So
Why did it overflow?
almost. Give me one cup, RJ, because it's dripping water, RJ. Ah. Okay.
Throw that cup away. Oh, right on the grass. You gonna put it?
I'm just gonna
Of this.
And this is what the sink looks like now.
Yeah. Yan. Oh, look
Oh,
at
no,
RJ.
don't do that.
Look at RJ.
We'll clean that later.
See. Yun o, ang sink. Na-clog guys. Linisan muna natin to. Quick. Okay. Okay, na RJ. RJ, come here. Ah, okay.
This puts a little bit too much reflection.
Eh, linis muna tayo. Mayroong daming water dito. Tubig.
You stick your finger in there. Is there any more? Can you feel any more potato skin?
Yeah, no more na. Here, I'll go. It's dirty. Yan, guys. Linis muna dito.
water.
Para hindi masak up.
Okay, fill it up.
Oh, this time it comes out of this.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my goodness. I sweat.
You want another rag here? On the floor here?
No, wait. Wait, RJ. Give me a tissue, RJ. Oh, paper towel, RJ.
Paper towel.
Okay, clean up this first, RJ. It's dirty. Linis muna to, guys.
Alright.
Okay.
Yikes.
Now comes the part. The puzzle. Putting it back.
So, dirt, guys.
Where did that come from?
From the so long to stuck there,
The
RJ.
top one.
Okay, guys. Dito muna, guys. Ilalagay muna to. So, dito, oh. Saka,
Puzzle.
to.
Jimmy, yeah.
At saka, dyan.
Get off the camera.
RJ.
Puzzle.
Make sure the camera's aimed right. Look good?
Good.
Do.
Roger.
Hand tight, huh? What is
Hand
that? What about
tight.
that other piece? I got like.
What
is it-
piece?
Oh, there's. That's what I was looking for. Keep it loose. Don't tighten it down yet. Because you gotta get the bottom one on. You might have to twist it.
No, 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 no,
So,
no,
ito
no,
guys.
no, no.
Ito guys. Ito na naman guys, ikalawa.
I see a tiny crack.
So,
Where? It's a scrape.
ayun guys. Ito guys. Yan. Okay,
Not on the
yan,
bucket,
guys.
where the hand is.
So, tight na natin to guys. Oh,
What's these things?
oh. Yun, tight na.
Good cat.
Yun, linisan na natin para walang
Cat, please. Cat, 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 cat.
Double check tightness.
Double check tighten it. What's
Okay, tight? Want me to test it?
okay sana.
I'll turn the water on very.
Tight more
Oh,
guys.
Jay. Don't turn the water on yet.
Tight. More tight.
go, go, go?
Mm.
To whoever ate our what?
Okay, tasting.
Hand tight.
So, yun guys.
Finish.
You ready? Here goes.
Okay, try. If not, dripping here. Yan, guys.
Drip.
Yan. It's work. Yay! Tingnan nyo guys.
Put it in the other sink. So it should be coming down the other pipe now.
No, turn on the sink, hane.
No, the other pipe I'm testing.
No, it's okay. See?
Because you took this off.
Yeah, it's okay.
Nothing? Okay, I'm gonna go full speed now.
So yan guys, ang sink.
How about now?
Lababo. Yan. Yan guys.
See anything? Get the camera on there.
So
Well,
guys,
About go
clean na
this
guys. Yan. Yan.
Okay, you ready? Hold that, RJ.
Plug in to.
Look at
Para kung work ba o hindi. Yan.
Push that out of the way.
Yan
Okay,
guys.
ready?
No, no.
Okay.
Good. You watch the
Yan
sink,
guys.
Give me the remote. Let me do the flashlight. Ready?
Yay! It's working! Look at that. Yan. Natapos na guys.
No leaks. Hand
Yeah.
tight.
Only hand tight guys. That's good. Yeah, look at that. It's work. So,
I tell you something.
yan guys. So, yan.
Guys,
It's
Mommy's
clean na.
not a plumber.
What are they?
Because Mommy in the first place was
What are they?
Mommy could not even do anything.
It's so hard tight. Yan guys. So, yan. It's work. Yan.
Nang nabara, ayos na. Daloy na ang tubig, oh.
Yan. So, yun lang guys ang aking ma-share ngayon guys. Sana mayroon kayong natutunan sa aking pag ayos ng lababo. Yun. Yan.
Now I see
See?
that.
So, have no,
RJ's an engineer. He analyzes everything. Reverse engineers everything. Well, that's how that
are
works.
you engineer, RJ?
Yep.
RJ?
I think it's gonna be mechanical.
Ayan.
Daddy,
Linis na.
Daddy,
What?
this thing here is hot.
So, ang dami ng mga
water's going through.
hugasan to, oh.
Okay, now we gotta put everything away.
Yeah. He put away now, RJ.
Tell me what it is. I'll put them in.
Yun, ang
Tell
dami.
me what it is.
Ang daming stuff dito, oh.
You have to tell me what it is.
Ibabalik sa loob ng
Okay?
sink. So, ayun lang guys ang aking masishare ngayon guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo at sana mayroon din kayong natutunan sa aking video ngayon. So, that's it for now guys. At kung nagustuhan man ninyo, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify din kayo sa aking mga bagong video guys. So, See you next video guys. Bye-bye!